tell you, but
Yeah.
couldn't till now. The Buddha that you have, that aluminium thing behind
yeah.
you, I had seen once. I have the same one. I had got it 6 years back
From where?
from the Kala Ghoda festival.
That's it. That's from where I have got it. The man who sits there and who we makes those with the wire, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
been
yeah.
very, it's in my Mumbai house. So I was like,
Absolutely.
I
So I
somewhat
think maybe there must be one Kala Ghoda festival where both of us must be there, and we did not know each other.
Yes. This goes back a long time. So
Yeah, because this is like really, really long time ago that
yes,
I was
yes.
there. So clearly, maybe that's the reason. Uh, I mean, universe was ensuring that we are going to be meeting in this
It's
way.
really very happy coincidence to see that. I was just writing.
Yeah, that's the reason I waited when you said that Buddha. So I said, okay, let me see where is it from. So he used to sit opposite Jahangir Art Gallery, and he used to sit with the wire and make those
Yes, I think
things.
I'm really not sure about it. I don't recall, but I really liked it, and I think I just picked it within
And that
seconds. I
one
just
Kala
got it.
Ghoda, this friend of mine and me, we wanted to support a cause. So these were for girls from, I think, the slums. And so this guy, he wanted to sell books. So it was my friend and me, and even Samruddhi was there then with me. But we literally sat on the roads over there, and we were selling books. वो जैसे स्टॉल बैठते हैं ना वहाँ पे,
Got it.
we
Yeah.
have done that. I have pictures of us sitting there, and
That
we did
is
all the
so
selling
cool.
thing for us to collect money for those girls. So yeah, there are some very beautiful memories of that Kalagoda festival actually.
And it's very lively, na? It has some different aura, actually. I just love
Absolutely,
it. So much
absolutely.
creativity and stuff.
And literally what you're saying, so that festival when I bought this, it was like really a very different kind of a festival. So yeah.
Festival, yes.
Okay, so how have things been for all of you? Rashmi, how was your weekend?
Very nice. So my nephew is here, Ahan is here. So I can
Oh,
for
okay.
him for the weekend, although I can't meet him.
Hmm.
Yeah, but yeah, in next 2 days when our home quarantine is over, I can meet him. But
You
yeah,
will.
I made some nice pasta and chocolate and strawberry milkshake and all of that for him. Yeah, so bana udhar to.
So मतलब मासी was at it to to impress. नहीं तो like he has all his demands ready with मासी.
Exactly. Yeah. He just has to ऐसा आवाज करो. Masi is at his service.
Nice. Kirti, how was it for you?
My experience was the divine experience.
Okay. And what was it? Why don't you share with us your divine experience?
Yes, of course. Yesterday it was exam there. There was exam of level 2, Gita Parivar level 2 exam. In that, this exam is online exam. So in the meeting, one examiner, one tech assistant, and one examinee. Only these many papers were there. And in one room there are like 14-15 मतलब participants का एग्जाम होता है ऐसे करके एक एक को एंट्री मिलती है.
Okay.
तो कल जो मेरे रूम में जो मैं वहाँ टेक करके थी और मेरे रूम में जो बच्चे थे पूरे 15 बच्चे मतलब उसमें से ऐसा था कि 5 से लेके 10 साल 5 to 10 years एज ग्रुप के ही बच्चे थे और वो गीता के अध्याय रिसाइट कर रहे थे क्लियरली. कहीं अटकना नहीं, कहीं चूकना नहीं, और इवन कहीं पर अगर उनकी गलती होती है तो खुद बताते नहीं टीचर 1 मिनट मेरी गलती हो गई मैं बताने वाली.
So sweet.
So we were feeling like it's really मतलब क्या सारे बाल कृष्णास वहाँ थे और हम लोग उनकी सेवा कर रहे थे. ऐसा लग रहा था रियली इट वाज डिवाइन
बहुत बढ़िया,
एक्सपीरियंस.
बहुत
और
बढ़िया. Like such a
एक
beautiful
जगह
thing.
इतना अच्छा हुआ कि ये परिवार मतलब जैसे एग्जाम्स में होता है ना फ्लाइंग स्क्वाड आता है चेकिंग के लिए, वैसे जो वहाँ के जो अथॉरिटीज है वो बीच बीच में एंट्री लेते हैं कई कई अलग अलग मीटिंग रूम्स में. तो हमारे रूम में एक जगह एक बच्ची थी जिसका नाम था राधा रानी.
ओके.
एग्जाम चल रही थी और
हाँ.
तभी उन्होंने एंट्री ली और उनका नाम था कृष्णा राठी नाम है उनका. तो
Okay.
एक साइड में वो विंडो में दिख रहा है कृष्णा राठी, एक जगह राधा रानी. तो उस मोमेंट को हमने बहुत एंजॉय किया.
Yeah, absolutely.
रियली इट वाज डिवाइन एक्सपीरियंस. हम लोग बहुत खुश थे कल.
मतलब दिस इज लाइक आपको बहुत सारे ब्लेसिंग्स मिलते रहे थ्रू दिस एग्जाम. वेरी नाइस, वेरी नाइस. और आपके थ्रू हमें भी, क्योंकि ये सुनने को मिला. Okay, how have things been for others? Anybody who wants to share some special experience over the weekend? Anything? Smita, Vishakha, Nalumaushi, anybody? So yes, Pallavi, lovely.
Okay, just a quick one. The
Yeah.
thing, what I have been doing, of course, in many things, in little things also, I'm trying. And there is one very, I find it very cute experience, which I've been meaning, like I was wishing that, my husband should also experience this little magic of this thing somewhere. I don't know, it could be like, I was just feeling that. So I have been telling him, you try. Sometimes there is lots of work and he gets stuck and he gets very upset at the end of the day. So I was telling him past 2 3 days, you just try doing this. And it's not been days, it's been years actually now. So
Yeah.
this time I tried it with this of course thing last whole week. And yesterday he did that. So I said that of course my husband is going to experience this positive vibrations and how it connects, and he will experience this and he will do it on his own. So yesterday he did it on his own. He had something pending for a week and he wanted to finish it yesterday. So he tried that, and now he just this evening he shared that I was just thanking you today for the whole day because I somehow completed that job and I was feeling so relieved क्योंकि मेरे बॉस को चांस नहीं मिला मुझे डांटने का. नहीं तो आज मुझे सुना रहता था. तो फिर I was just looking at him. I'm like, seriously you did? So he's like, yeah, I did that. You told me you do that affirmation, so I did that. And at least I took time, but I finished it. I'm like, oh, glad. So this was one thing. I was not sure I should say, but then since you asked, I was like, I should.
Of course, you must share such amazing experiences.
So it was good. I think we all should try something like this daily.
Absolutely. Because it's, the sharing thing is, I don't know how much for others. It is so much for our own selves, to strengthen our own belief in what we practice, to really be even more determined the next time, and be so confident that this is happening. So each time you share, one is you're really sharing the vibrational frequency with the other one. So it's like you're raising not just yours, others also. And then listening to each other's experiences is so wonderful. You start believing that अच्छा पिछले 21 दिनों से कुछ ना कुछ कर रहे हैं. Today we are just sharing this, and there has been sharing happening through the 21 days also. Like कितनी बार कितने लोगों ने बताया कि ये टेक्निक हमने अप्लाई की. But then this just this sharing those little achievements, these are like, I feel like huge successes in our path, as we keep moving ahead. And believing anything is possible, because this workshop was about anything is possible. So I think for all the women who have been trying to convince their partners, their husbands, their spouses कि भाई ये करो ना ये magic और miracle में believe करो ना, उनके लिए your experience is really going to be a good motivation, because they can all start saying, of course my husband also will believe in the magic of the universe.
Seriously, and it feels really great that you have that.
I think Rashmi has already written something. Yeah. So yeah, these success stories are a huge motivation for others. So thank you for sharing, and thank you that you didn't decide to not share it with us and just keep it with you. So thank you.
Actually, today when he said in the evening, I felt very good. Rather sometimes we tell something to others, but we have to follow up, or we ask, "Arey kaise hua, kaise laga?" तो वो एक अलग होता है, लेकिन सामने से कोई जब बोलता है ना तो वो एक अलग फीलिंग आता है कि ओ
Totally.
कुछ मन से किया है, तो इट इज गुड. दैट इज हाउ इट वाज.
But this is awesome. Thank you. Thank you for
Thank you.
sharing.
I
All
would also
right.
like to
All
share.
thanks to you, Shilpa.
Yes. Oh.
Your guidance.
Yeah, of course, because connecting with you only makes us really be aware that we have some good past
Yeah,
of
because if this
manifestation.
21 days
Really,
wasn't have been like it didn't
हाँ.
happen, तो maybe इतना effort शायद हम लोग consciously ना ले पाते. तो again it goes back to you. So thank you.
Again, I'm just a medium, and one is what I'm getting is I do get a lot of joy. So every time I connect with people and listen to all of you, that is my motivation. Mera fuel wo hai. So for me to keep going, to announce new workshops, to announce new things, this is what motivates me. You people. So thank you for actually believing in me and being there. So that's so wonderful. Sushila.
Yeah, I was like to share like just we went through this manifestation and all this the last 2 days now. So I was like thinking, ki, why not go for this? I now the very close past we were not in contact from a few days.
Mm,
Then there was a bit of misunderstanding also happening. So I really was feeling very feeling good. कि ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है? So I
mm,
thought, why not I manifest this thing?
mm,
So I just manifested that they should come to our place on Sunday,
mm.
have dinner with us, and something which could make this possible.
Okay.
Okay, and I didn't say a word to anybody, like
Mm,
not my in my family also nobody. I just kept on saying this. This, of course, they will come to our place, and we'll have lunch or dinner, whatever, together. And in the afternoon, he just told me that they're coming for dinner. So what you're going to prepare? So I was so happy. I didn't say anything. I was really very happy that this is blessings with this so much. It was, I just can't express it how it was,
Oh,
but I really felt
wow.
very good, very good.
Yeah, amazing. So how powerful you are, na? You are all very, very powerful manifestors. So I am just loving this. Thank you for sharing, Sushila. Yes. Who wants to share now? Okay. So let me share my experience of the weekend. So I've been like in the past, specifically maybe the last 15 days or so, I've been thinking about. So, okay, me as a professional, um, currently what is happening is most professionals, they function very differently in terms of the social media and the digital marketing and stuff. And I also employed a team. So for the last, I think, almost 3 4 5 months, I had a team working for me and promoting me on the social media, because that is not what I'm good at. I'm just good at taking sessions. I'm just good at having these workshops, and that's not my forte. Making posts and posting it, and all kinds of videos and stuff. That is not me. So I thought, जो जो लोग वो अच्छे से कर सकते हैं उनको देते हैं, and let me allow them to work and let me focus on the work I love and I enjoy doing. And I was doing that, and what happened is, once you have a team who's working for this, they start also pushing you कि आप ये करो वो करो ऐसे करो, तो फिर फोटो सेशन करो, तो फोटो सेशन किया, फिर अलग अलग टाइप के पोस्ट ये वो, and then constantly you are at it on the social media, the Instagram. So first I was not even on Instagram. Now I am on not just one, there are 3 accounts on Instagram and all of that. But while doing all of that, I was constantly feeling that I'm being pushed. And I was looking at it. Earlier I had the resistance, I worked on the resistance, and I said, okay, this is good, this is maybe working, whatever. Now what happened is that after those 4 5 months, I didn't see the team working as parallelly with the wavelength I have in terms of the way I connect to people, or the way I do my work, I somehow felt that there is a mismatch and they are not understanding what is the kind of work I want to do. And that is what they are doing is becoming very, very repetitive. And so I just decided to, discontinue with their services. After which, now it is on me to go through the whole social media thing and put your own, do all your own promotions वगैरह. And again, that is not something I want to focus on. I know what I'm good at, and I want to focus on those things. And in the last few days, so specifically last 15 days, I did what I could. If you see, maybe the posts on my page have come really, really down, and I'm just doing what I can. But what I was constantly checking within me is that this is not making me happy. Pushing myself to constantly, बाकी के सब healers, therapists ये कर रहे हैं तो ये तुम करो, शिल्पा ये करो, शिल्पा इंस्टा लाइव करो, रोज करो, फिर ऐसे पोस्ट डालो. That is not what I have been ever. So before this, when I was never promoted through social media, also the work happened, and I was. It gave me a lot of peace, satisfaction, and the feeling of fulfillment. Uh, I somewhere started missing this, and I felt that this is not what I want to do. And the moment I followed my heart, what happened was very, very funny coincidence. And again, I believe there are no coincidences. So I've been affirming that I have a different class as my clientele, a class which understand my value and worth, not just in the terms of work I do, uh, but also in terms of the value I provide to their lives. And so that also has a cost. So there are people who feel that Shilpa is very expensive, so they wouldn't do maybe sessions with me or whatever. But there are people who absolutely believe in me and the work I do, and I have no issues with the money also I charge. So I've been affirming that this is my clientele. And the biggest thing I've been affirming, and this is for many, many years, and just today I was sharing this with a friend of mine, that I've believed I'm a Rolls Royce. Okay. And if you check the advertisements and the promotions and stuff, you will never see a Rolls Royce being promoted. You will see even an Audi and a BMW and a Mercedes being promoted, but Rolls Royce has a very different class of people who choose the Rolls Royce. They will not look at अरे बहुत महंगी है, इसका एक लाइट, एक चीज, एक एक्सेसरी इतने रुपए का. They believe that this is what it is. कोई वहां पे जाके haggling नहीं करता है. So I have always believed that this is who I am. And so I mean, I can promote if I want, but I don't need to just get behind promoting myself. And I will meet only those people who understand my class. All right.
Yeah.
Now the fun thing is, because I've been affirming this for quite some time, I have a few clients who are very, very exclusive, very, very classy, very, very elite. And in spite of that, they are very, very humble, they are very, very down to earth, they are very, very kind and generous. So when people have these ideas about rich people, and people feel uncomfortable when there are very, very rich people around, there are so many times one feels uncomfortable. By God's grace, I've been with such people, and it has been very, very comfortable. And on the Wednesday, the last week Wednesday, when I was doing the training, I met somebody like this, and they literally, they were just so good. They were so humble. They invited me over their surf club. And Samruddhi and I, this weekend we visited their surf club. We stayed there Saturday night, and it was a mind-blowing experience. It was a like out of the world experience to be in the sea, to connect with the water, to connect with the waves, to connect with nature, to surf over there, to communicate with the sea. It was beautiful. Or watch the sunset, sitting right there, and watching. And there's one more thing which I experienced, and I was just telling Samruddhi yesterday. Typically, if you've seen all the pictures of the horizon, you see like when the sun is setting, the pictures are like, if this is the line of the horizon, they show the sun like this, like touching the line, you know. And for the first time yesterday, the one who was with me, and she and me, we were talking and we were looking at the sunset, and she said, Shilpa, have you noticed that, you know, see, the sun is setting and it is a little above the horizon, and it is actually not setting the line, you know, which we typically. And I was like so amazed, like little things. And I kept looking at that sun go down, and maybe if it goes down, that the bottom का जो पॉइंट हो वो शायद वो लाइन को टच करता होगा, पर एक्चुअली जो हमें ऐसा दिखता है ना ड्राइंग्स में, सारे बच्चों के ड्राइंग्स में वैसा सनसेट नहीं था. तो आई डोंट नो वेदर उस सीशोर पे नहीं था या कहीं नहीं होता है. दिस इज अ न्यू थिंग एंड आई रियली वांट टू check sun setting on the sea and see how other places are कि horizon वहाँ पे कैसे अलग कुछ होता है. But that was an amazing experience. Or that, like, there were 6 of us staying that night together, and the bond we had. So there was a naval officer who had come with his daughter, and there were 2 cousins who had come, and we were all doing a lot of spiritual talks, a lot of energy related talks, and a lot of talks which for other people are insane, you know, talks which people will believe ये लोग पागल है, ये क्या बात करे. And for me to meet my tribe, for me to meet such people, and there was this 11-year-old girl, and she was mind blowing. She talked like a 22-year-old. She was that amazing, the maturity she had. So I was like so amazed, and I kept thanking the universe for sending such people in my life who give me gifts such as these, you know, to come and stay over at the surf club and surf and have such fabulous experiences of life and meet such beautiful people. I think this is life. So I, like, today I discussed this with a friend also, and I said मेरा मन नहीं करता ये सब promotions और ऐसा पीछे पीछे, जितना शांति से जो भी होगा I will do, you know. I'll attract all the best things, and मुझे ये चिंदीगिरी नहीं करना है, you know, 99 का workshop दो और 199 का और 499 का. Somehow that's not happening for me. So instead I love doing this, like, देना है तो free दे दो, और अगर लेना है तो अच्छे से ले लो for the cost which I believe it is. So that's, but then that has been like a biggest thing I have manifested. I'm seeing that what I'm manifesting in the recent times is like really high class, some fabulous packages for my life, and fabulous people. And I just want to tell you all that it doesn't matter where we are and at which level we are. We could actually ask for something really classy and we can still attract that. हम बहुत बार ऐसा सोचते हैं कि मेरा लाइफस्टाइल यही है, मैं तो मिडिल क्लास हूँ, या मेरे पास इतने ही पैसे हैं, या मैं, एंड तो फिर हाउ विल आई you know, attract something which is like 10 times bigger or better than my current lifestyle. And it is possible, anything is possible. I would have never imagined that I'll be surfing, like my daughter would be surfing. That just manifested out of nowhere, and it has been beautiful. So allow the universe to send you those classy beautiful gifts, and just be ready to receive, and that would be like the best time of your life. And I like to hear such stories where it has become 10x or 100x higher than आपका बेसिक मैनिफेस्टेशन का जो लेवल रहा है, वहां से आपने बहुत ऊपर उसे उठाया है. दैट विल बी लाइक true manifestation. So I want to hear such stories from all of you, and of course I'm sure and I'm certain that I will hear these stories from all of you. So today, yeah, I'm just reading what Sushila, the universe is giving. Just be ready to receive. Absolutely. And yes, I know it was deep and super amazing. So today, what I want to do is I want to end this with a beautiful meditation for all of you, so that once I do it with you and your body has experienced it, maybe you will follow this as a process. little steps we have definitely discussed over these 21 days, that how to work on your fears, how to work on your limited beliefs, how to allow, how to let go, all of that. And how to manifest, and what are like, we just had maybe one or two techniques, and there are so many more. Again, there's something which is constantly telling me to announce a workshop named Powerful Manifestation, but I'm not announcing it right now. Let me see. I don't know. I mean, because there are some very, very, again, powerful techniques which I have been practicing and I would like to share, but I'm just waiting, to for me to feel really sure that I must announce this workshop. I'm not sure whether I must announce it for like a day, 2 days, or whether I must do it long term. Something inside me tells that even if there are less people, I'm okay, but I would like to work for like 30 days, so at least weekly once, Milna. And that just means 6 sessions, but in 30 days, having a list of 5 things which you want to manifest, and clearly working on those and seeing those manifest. I would like to do something like that. So let's see. With the universal blessings, I will announce it soon. But today, I just thought, let me sum this up with a process which can at least guide you to do this better. Yeah. So I'm requesting all of you to just be comfortable. We'll look at all of you in the gallery view. Yeah. And just relax. Find a very quiet and comfortable place for you where you won't be disturbed. And it's up to you if you want to sit cross-legged, or if you want to sit on a chair. It's just fine. But if you want to sit on a chair, just ensure that both your feet are firmly rooted, grounded on the ground, on the floor, and your palms can be resting comfortably in your lap, or whatever mudra you're comfortable with. Or even if you just keep your palms open to the sky, that is also in the receiving position, so that is also fine. It's okay to not make any mudra also for this one. And when you do it alone at home, I would suggest that if you can light a candle or play some soft music, that will be good, because that will really invigorate your senses and it will get you in the right frame of mind. So you could do that when you're doing it at home. Now just start calming your mind and start narrowing your focus by concentrating on your breathing. So you can bring all the attention above your lip and just outside your nostrils, where you can actually feel the cool air, or the air passing in the nostril as you inhale, and as you exhale, the warm air touching the walls of your nostril and coming out, and you can feel it above your upper lip. Keep bringing your attention, keep bringing your focus to your breath. And with every breath you take, imagine that you're becoming, feeling more and more relaxed, more and more centered, more and more in alignment with the universal energies, open, ready, and receptive to the universal blessings. Just notice how the chest rises and falls. Just observe how your chest rises and falls. Become aware of your belly blowing like a balloon and then collapsing inside. As you breathe in fully and then breathe out fully, just so that the next breath is whole and complete. And keep breathing, just in case if there are thoughts, it's just okay, it's just fine. Look at them as though they are clouds, they will pass by. As you sit in your window and watch the clouds, you see them passing by. That's how the nature of the thoughts is. They come and they go. And if there are any intrusive thoughts or stresses from the day, just for now, keep them, maybe park them or keep them in a box, knowing that okay, there is going to be a time when you can address them. Right now, it is the time for them to just take a back seat. Don't judge yourself for any kind of distractions. All you can do is gently return to your breath. Keep coming back to your breath. Keep coming back to your breath. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly. And every time, try to double the time of exhale. So if you inhale on the count of 4, exhale on the count of 8, taking you deeper within yourself. And maybe if it's difficult to exhale through your nostrils, in double the time, you could exhale through your mouth. So you can just control your exhale and exhale slowly. So take a deep inhale and exhale slowly. And mentally, you can repeat any affirmation which can put you into a calm, peaceful zone. For now, I'm using I am calm and peaceful. Or I'm experiencing calm and peace. So you could keep saying that mentally to get into that calm and peaceful place. And now, as we start experiencing this calm and peace, in our mind. Experience it spreading all over your body feeling calm and peaceful. And relaxed and comfortable in this moment. Going deeper and deeper in deep silence and in deep peace. Experience the silence, the peace within. And there is so much wisdom in this inner peace. And now let us also affirm a statement which will reinforce that your heart is open to all you can achieve. Let's now mentally repeat this statement. I open my heart to all that is possible. I open my heart to all that is possible. I am good and bring good things towards me. I am good and bring good things towards me. I believe anything is possible. I believe anything is possible. And you can say any other statement which comes to your mind that will just make you more calmer, more positive, and more empowered. It's just about progressing in being calm and peaceful and calm and peaceful and calm and peaceful. And at this time, you can also visualize your heart opening up. It could be your heart chakra, which is exactly in the center of your rib cage. You can just imagine, picturize that there's a glow or a glowing light in the center of your rib cage. And you can imagine any color which comes to your mind. That's the glowing light of your heart opening. When there is a closed door, but there is light inside, and even if it opens a tiny space, you still see the light passing through that door. That's how it is, the opening of your heart. And that light can keep growing, keep increasing as your heart opens up more and more. And now, with using your complete power of imagination, you're blessed with the superpower, and that is to imagine, visualize, picturize. Use your full force of imagination to picture what you want to attract, whatever that you want to attract. Use all your senses, your complete power and force to attract what you want in life. So, for example, if you want to manifest love, how will it feel to hold your partner in your arms? Just feel that touch, the breath, the warmth. What will that person smell like? Or what are the fragrances you can smell around when you're together? What sound will their laughter make? And how will they smile at you? How will that person smile back to you? And will it be like looking into your eyes, or how will it be? So spend as much time building and inhabiting this image as you want. If it is a job, you know, imagine yourself, or if it is a position or something in your career, imagine yourself dressed completely, perfectly, exactly for that occasion. Is it a ceremony? Is it your, you know, some kind of a felicitation in your career? Whatever it is, you're just dressed perfectly for that occasion. What is the fragrance you're using? Which bag are you carrying? And then how are you going to be traveling? Which car are you sitting in? On which roads are you traveling? What do you see outside? While you're in the car or whatever vehicle you are in, what is that you're going to nibble? Are you eating something? Some nuts, some sweets? What is it? And then you reach to that location where you're going to be felicitated, and everybody is cheering for you as you enter that space. And there are flowers and all glitter and sparkles everywhere, celebrating you. Everybody is celebrating you. How does that feel in the body? What are you hearing? What are you smelling? What are you touching? What are you tasting? Feel it in your body. Spend as much time feeling whatever you want to create in your life. Feel it completely, fully, totally. Feel it through your sense of sight. See all the little details, the minutest details of that beautiful wish coming true, because it already has in a parallel universe. It has already happened, it's there. Each of your wishes are fulfilled, are complete, are blessed by the divine, and they're there already. We just have to bring ourselves to that vibration where it matches to that one, and we see it here too. What is that you're hearing, using your sense of listening, hearing? What are the sounds? What are the voices? What is that you're smelling? What is that you're tasting? How does success taste? How does love taste? How does celebration taste? How does admiration taste? in your mouth? What is the kind of taste, this calm, this love, this peace, this joy is leaving in your mouth? And if you're feeling very, very fulfilled, complete, full inside your body, that, oh my God, I'm already here. This is it, this is my reality. Build a deep feeling of gratitude by focusing on all the things that inspire it in your life. Who and what makes you feel thankful? So now visualize everything that you already have and really, really tune in to gratitude, just the way you tune into to a radio channel. Just tune into this channel of gratitude for everything, all the love, all the peace, all the calm, all the joy, all the happiness, all the appreciation, all the acknowledgement, the comforts, everything that you have in your life, everything. Just keep counting your blessings. The more you immerse yourself in this feeling of gratitude, the more positivity, the more abundance you will attract in your life. And slowly and steadily become ready to just come back, arrive in this moment of gratitude when you can open your eyes and reflect on your perspective shift. And once you open your eyes, start mentally planning, and then you can also put it down on your paper. What are the concrete steps that you will take? What are the inspired actions that you will take to manifest what you want in life? There are some wishes which do not need any inspired actions, they just manifest. And there are some wishes which need few inspired actions and then they come easily. So, how would you act? How would you carry yourself? What would you wear? How would you spend your time? All of these, will take you closer to your manifestation, to your goal in reality. So, whenever you feel complete, you can open your eyes. Welcome back. Yes, we can stay just quietly and maybe looking at each other and saying tathastu to each one's wishes, dreams, desires, goals, and just keep saying that mentally, keep blessing each one. Send lot of love energy to each other. And some people are just too determined to manifest things in life. And I see Aditi reaching exactly in time when that meditation began. And I was like, this girl is awesome. Like she dropped a message saying, "Can I join by 9:30?" And I said, "Try," because usually we start closing after that. And today I started the meditation at that time.
I am seriously lucky. This was beautiful. When I
You're blessed.
when it started, I was not too sure. Like concentrate होगा नहीं होगा कैसे होगा करके, because everyone had started, but when I got into it, I don't know when I got into it. There's no answer to it. मैं कब घुसी, मैं बस घुस गई, you know. It was just beautiful. I am
Awesome.
glad I logged in.
I'm glad too. Thank you for coming. Okay. Yes. Does anybody want to talk, or do you want to go like this, only saying bye bye, good night? What is it? Whatever feels right, do it. So yeah, let me start summing up, because this is the end of the 21 days of anything is possible. This is definitely not the end of anything is possible, because anything is possible, and that opens with you, all of you, and everybody who watches this and doesn't watch this also. Like I really really bless each one of them, that let anything beautiful, wonderful, mystical, magical, miraculous happen in their life, everyone's life, all of your lives. So anything is possible, just believe in it. Yeah. Yeah, I just want to wish lots of love and power to everyone. Yes, this is the beginning, Anu. Just believe that you are powerful manifestors, and you are. Aditi is asking, can we not continue? So, thereby meaning continue the workshop from 21 days to 42 days, or continue now?
Anything will do. Like I am right now in such an happy zone that
So, you know
I've
what?
not had I've not had dinner, but then I think I'm not worried at all.
So this is you. Okay, I literally credit this to you, because I'm now forming the thought. Just before you entered, I had actually mentioned this to everyone, saying that there are certain things on my mind, but okay, I don't. I'm not yet, you know, finalized what workshop I want to announce, but that's a very separate thing, and I will announce it soon. This one, what I want to say, because what Aditi just mentioned is, maybe we could have a time where we can just come together to do our practices together, to maybe write affirmations, to share stories. That is not going to be where I am teaching you anything, or ऐसा कुछ नहीं होगा. There is no lead and follow वगैरह कुछ नहीं होगा. We'll just come together. Maybe what I can do is I can chalk out a plan that हम लोग साथ में मिलेंगे. We will maybe write our affirmations or say our affirmations together, because all of us together can, जैसे वो मंत्र जाप होता है, this will, like earlier when I used to do in-person workshops, I used to do something called an affirmation bath, and it has been such a powerful, I think, I don't know who, I think Rashmi, have you experienced affirmation bath with me? Yeah, it is such a powerful experience, so we could do something. I can have like a basic format, and we can all be together, and we will do our practices. This is only so that we, like, बहुत बार पूरे दिन में time नहीं मिलता है, so if we could be maybe just quiet, we may not be even talking to each other, but we can just come on together and just start writing our affirmations, be quiet. We can do something like that, and that will just help us to again keep ourselves motivated. अगर कुछ किसी दिन लो महसूस हुआ तो share it with the group, so then let the group talk to you. So ऐसा कुछ कर सकते हैं. Let me just give me some time. because I have to also slate this time out. बहुत बार usually मेरे 9 o'clock के भी sessions होते थे, तो पिछला पूरा 21 days I've not taken a single 9 o'clock session. So I'm just figuring out, या तो maybe I'll do it twice a week, something like this. You know, we could do a week start, week end. ऐसे कुछ कर सकते हैं. So just give me some time and I will get in touch with all of you. And this is very clear. I'm only going to get in touch with these people that I see right now on the screen. I will send a personal message to all of you. I can see Aditi dancing. Okay. And those who see this in the YouTube, I mean, those who do see this, watch this in the YouTube, they can personally message me that I want to be a part of this group of powerful manifestors, and we'll include them. But I'm not sending this message to everyone. Yeah. So yeah, this is it. This is anything else which you want me to talk or whatever. Rashmi, if you have to go for your dinner, you can. Bye bye. Good night. Have fun. Enjoy your dinner.
Dinner set here.
Bye bye.
I'll see you everyone soon. I'm pretty confident about that.
Lovely. Of course, we'll see you.
Of course, I am
Of course
meeting all
we'll
of
see
you
you.
soon.
Of course, we want that child.
And Smita, there is
Hi,
one
yeah.
message I want to give you, because I just saw on my laptop one thing pop, and I think it must be from one of the YouTube videos. Shweta is again, you know, somebody who watches our videos very, very regularly, and I see Shweta's comment saying, I'm self-inviting myself for Smita's wedding. So there you go. You know, so so there is just imagine, you know, here we think that we are just, but there are people who watch this and they're all blessing you, and they're all, and she's another commented one more time, keeping you all in my prayers. This is so beautiful for all of us. Like, she's maybe watching the YouTube videos and I'm reading these comments here. So this is so amazing. So lots of love and loads of blessings to Shweta, and you know, prayers for you too, Shweta, because I know whenever you watch this video, this will reach to you. And yeah. Okay, Smita, Anu has seen a white wedding, and that is for you. Bye bye, Rashmi. Please go.
Thank you very much. Even I saw like that only today while meditation. I see all of you there. It was awesome. Awesome.
तुम टेंशन मत लो, हम पक्का आएंगे.
हाँ, मैं जरूर बुलाऊंगी. No tension at all.
अरे हम फिर भी आएंगे नहीं.
We are self-inviting.
Sure.
Oh, lovely. So amazing. Really. I really love this group.
So do we.
It was
so do
awesome.
we.
I just gone. You know, I just go when you take
Yeah.
meditation. I just
When actually Shilpa was talking about love, तो मुझे वो आ रहा था
Love.
वो white wedding का, and then I thought स्मिता तो नहीं है.
है मैं हूँ.
नहीं मतलब उधर.
मैं हूँ.
Absolutely.
Yes. Just stay there. Very nice. Chalo then, all of you. Have a
Yeah.
great time manifesting. Happy manifesting. Keep it charged. Yeah.
Yes.
Problem.
Bye.
Sushila did not sing.
Oh, yeah. How can we forget? We can't end this. Chalo,
Sushila
Sushila.
Singh.
Chalo.
लिख के रखा था मैंने.
Good. Very good. Thank you, Anu. Thank you so much. 1 minute. Let me just remove myself from here and let's only watch Sushila sing. Yes. Sushila, you're on mute.
So I had a nice only 4 lines.
Okay.
Like हंसते हंसते कर जाए रस्ते जिंदगी यूं ही चलती रहे खुशी मिले या गम बदलेंगे ना हम दुनिया चाहे बदलती रहे.
So beautiful. Absolutely. हम
beautiful.
बदलेंगे नहीं, हम
Thank you.
manifest
Yeah,
करते
thank you.
रहेंगे.
कैसे रह गए?
Yes. We are going to be those special blessed ones, you know, and we will keep manifesting. Thank you, Sushila. So lovely.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Okay, people. Bye, all of you.
Bye.
Thank you,
Bye
Shilpa.
everyone.
Thank
That was
you.
beautiful,
Thank
Thank you
Sushila.
very
Pleasure.
much.
Thank you,
Thank you very
Sushila.
much.
Thank you.
Thank you
Meet
so
you all
much.
As you
soon.
all talk, I can see each one of you on the main screen, and that
Thank you
feels so
so much.
amazing. Chalo, bye,
Bye
bye,
guys.
Bye.
Good
Bye
night.
bye.
लवकर
Thank
भेटू.
you.
Bye everyone.
Bye.
Bye bye.